In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing using networks like CPA Grip. You can also use network like CPA Lead or any other CPA network of your choice. Many affiliate marketers run ads to CPA offers, okay? And the reason why they do that is because CPA offers are very easy to convert as opposed to affiliate offers where the visitors will need to purchase an item or a product before you earn money. Whereas for CPA offers on the other hand, all the visitor need to do is submit their email, complete a simple survey, or just install an app, and the affiliate marketer is going to earn that way. So basically, it's easier to make money with CPA offers as opposed to affiliate offers, because with CPA marketing, you can make a lot of money online if you know how to do it the right way. You can literally build passive income with just CPA marketing alone. And also, some affiliate marketers prefer to make money with CPA marketing by doing content locking. And content locking can either be black hat or white hat. So for those who don't know the difference, for white hat, it's basically when you actually give what you promise to your visitors after they complete the offers. Whereas black hat, on the other end, you don't give them what you actually promise them, which means you make money while they get nothing out of it. So basically, for black artists, this is an example of this PayPal generator. As you can see here, these offers right here, or this type of content lockers, even though you complete them, you won't get the PayPal hack or whatever they promise. All right, so that is how black hat was. Whereas white hat, you will actually get what the affiliate marketer promised you. I don't recommend you cheat people, to complete your CPA offers and fail to deliver what you promised them. All right, so I recommend that you do white hat CPA marketing, because that way you can build consistent income that will grow from day to day, because you are giving people what they want, so everybody benefits in that scenario. So in this video, I will share 3 effective ways that you can build passive income with CPA marketing. They are simple, but yet if you are doing it for the first time, or if you are a complete beginner, you will need to be patient. You want to give it time before you see results. The first way that you can build passive income is by running paid ads. It is one of the most effective way of getting clicks faster to your CPA offers and make money online faster, because you are literally buying the traffic rather than with free traffic where you actively have to put in the time and effort to get the traffic yourself. So, however, as good as it may sound, I don't really recommend beginners going into paid ads at all, because not only will you need a good budget for it, you will also need to have a lot of experience on how to run paid ads, because paid ads on its own has its own learning curve. So you need to learn how to make money with paid ads before you go into it, and which means you will have to lose money upfront, because you need to learn the ropes before you know how it works. So if you don't have enough money in your pocket, or if you don't have enough budget, then I recommend you do free traffic instead, because with paid ads you will need to spend money to learn how it works. The best platform that I recommend to run CPA offers with paid traffic, the first one, you can use Bing ads, you can use PropellerAds, you can use Zero Pack. If you want to go for native ads as well, you can use platform like Outbrain. And also, I strongly recommend that you get a tracker. Okay, you get a good tracking software if you want to run paid ads to your CPA offers, because if you don't have a tracker, then you won't be able to properly optimize your campaign and see how it's performing. Okay, so the best trackers that you can use Red Track, you can use ClickMagic, you can use BeamUp. There are other ones out there, so I can't possibly list all of them in this video, but these are the ones that are really good that I've used and they really work well. So you can also use solo ads as well from Udemy if you prefer to do that. Okay, So that is the first way that you can build passive income with CPA marketing. So the second way that you can do it is by building a niche website. An example is creating a website on maybe a movie review, or creating a website about a specific topic. All right, so maybe like weight loss for teenagers, something like that. You want to create a website that is specific to an audience. All right, so once you create that website, then you want to post content on that website, and then after posting a good amount of content on the website, then you can start locking some of your content on that website. So literally what I mean is, once you make an article on the website, okay, then after the viewer has read a certain portion of the website, the content locker is going to pop up for them to continue reading the article or whatever you post on your website. Okay, and not to also mention that there are a lot of website builders out there. You can use Wix, you can use Blogger, you can use WordPress. And also, if you want to create a website, you want to keep in mind that you want to register a domain and get a hosting for your website just to keep it professional. So the third way that you can build passive income with CPA marketing is by making YouTube videos. And don't worry, you don't need to show your face at all, because you don't need to show your face on camera to post videos on YouTube. All right, so you can basically use a lot of softwares out there to make videos. You can do slideshows. You can also hire people on Fiverr to make videos for you, whiteboard animation. So there are a lot of ways to make videos and post them on YouTube without having to show your face. So you can also go to websites like Pixabay or Pexels to get free stock footage to use for your videos. And lastly, you want to make sure you have a plugin called vidIQ, because it's going to help you optimize your video and help you rank your videos for certain keywords so that you will appear in search results. Okay, and the bonus tip that I'm going to share with you is running a quiz site. And with a quiz site, you don't need to give a reward after the quiz. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is, your quiz can be based on any topic. People like to give their opinion, so you will just make a quiz, and then for whoever wants to complete the quiz, they need to complete a content locker before they can complete that quiz. So that is a very nice way to drive traffic to your content lockers, because like I said, people always like to give their opinion. So basically, once they complete the offer, they will be able to take that quiz and you will make money as well. And also, for building a quiz website, you will need a hosting and domain as well. All right, so if you have any question, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.